Rocky Mountain Construction just showed off their big surprise, and it may not be what you thought it was. Say hello to the Wild Moose Coaster, RMC's push into the family coaster market. The Wild Moose Coaster looks like it's RMC's response to having a clonable family coaster on a tight plot of land, and more specifically, the Wild Mouse type of coaster. RMC says the Wild Moose Coaster is a reimagining of the traditional Wild Mouse Coaster, and their mission was to turn it into something that can only come from RMC. This includes stuff such as RMC's pre-lift sort of little bunny hills across the entire layout. RMC's goal with this appears to be to create an option for parks to have when they want to replace their Wild Mouse Coaster, as this new ride is designed to fit on any existing Wild Mouse Coaster location. So think of that Wild Mouse Coaster at your local park and imagine if it was like something from RMC. Features of the new Wild Moose Coaster listed on RMC's press release include cost-effective replacement for aging Wild Mouse coasters, simplifies the mechanical system on a family coaster, new open-air family coaster trains, and provides the tightest turn radius on the market. The layout is extremely compact, as it's only 150 feet long, 80 feet wide, with a max height of just 50 feet. And honestly, it looks like a great family coaster layout. The new trains also look pretty interesting, and it's exciting seeing RMC coming up with something new and different. So what do you guys think? What parks do you think will replace their Wild Mouse coasters with the new Wild Moose? And do you think this will be a successful push into the family coaster market for RMC? Leave a comment with your thoughts down below. I could think of a few parks that could probably do this. And it's pretty interesting if this ends up actually happening and parks take advantage of this.